Hey guys, it's Taylor here. I haven't made a video in like 3 days. The last one I made, I think, was like, was it me just like saying why I didn't?
You're so ugly.
Why I haven't made a video? Anyway, I'll post that if you haven't seen it. So don't zoom in, Dylan. Okay. This video is about 3 animals that I own that are in my room. Got it, okay? Take all 3 birds. Okay, so these are the 3 birds. Tweety, Twitter, and Marble. I own these 2. Dylan owns this one. This one's a female. These 2 are males. Okay, so they live in this giant cage me and my dad built. It's completely done except the door's not been hinged on, and I gotta fix some stuff that happened here because I guess whenever me and Dylan like try and get it, it messes up. Anyway, here's the birds. We got a shot like a month ago, or 3 weeks. I don't know how long I have, but they're maturing. Anyway, is Marco's nose shriveling up? Nope. Okay. Well, these are birds.
Say something, you retard!
You know what I said? Stop it after 3 seconds. Birdie, 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 birdie. I love these birds. They're so magical.
Riley!
Marco's here.
Sure!
He's here.
Sure!
Back here.
We're a happy family!
They went in a little more out of Wait, Dylan, Twitter's up there.
Oh my god! Wait! I need to know where they are!
So I hope you enjoyed this little section about the birds, but that's not the
Wait!
video. Yeah, Twitter's down there and they're all over here.
Where's Twitter?
Hey, just watch these birds, watch. Look what landed in the nest.
I don't even know!
You didn't know, boo.
I'm running, man.